What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Full Fix channel. Today I would like to share a new video for you guys. It's gonna be 2008 Honda Civic DX. It's gonna be manual car. I just got it, and the shifter knock was so bad, and it's look very bad if you check the boot or the knock. So it's not a good shape for me. I just ordered it to Amazon. It cost me 20 or 30 bucks. So let's check it out. I would like to introduce you guys on my vehicle too. So check it out, guys. Now this is my new vehicle, and I just bought it let's say 2 weeks ago, and I got this car running very good and perfect. So it's gonna be 4-cylinder, okay, 1.8. So it's a very good car and running, drive, and it's smooth. I like it. The clutch is engaged all the time when you shift the gear. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear. On this vehicle, got only fifth gear, and maybe like Honda Civic Si, maybe they got 6 speed. You know, it is awesome. I would like to have one, but I'm not ready yet. So it doesn't matter. I touch my max because I sanitized my hand already. So guys, today we're gonna do this job, and it's gonna be maybe I think the part that I get it from Amazon maybe fit, because when I search online and type it at my vehicle year, make, model, so everything is correct. So I just got the package over here. I would like to show you guys. It's the package, but I got it. They shipped it to me, and this one is the boot, black one. So it's very good. I like it. And in the box over here, we got the knock. We got a knock over here, and see the knock, black color and red. You see the gear: first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear, and reverse. So I like it, the color, and they have offered to me this plastic piece. I don't know how to call that one. I think that one go inside right here, maybe fit or not. So we're gonna go ahead and do that job, and make sure guys stay tuned and catch the next video. If you guys have any question, and leave me a comment down section below. And people that are new to my YouTube channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and ring your notification bell. When I upload the video, you guys gonna receive it as well. So guys, we're gonna catch you right back. Okay, to do this job, you see the boot right here, that's what I'm talking about. And we're not gonna replace the shifter because the shifter was good. I just only talk about the knob and the boot right here. It was so bad, right? This one I just replace it. The handbrake over here, I just replaced it only a few days. This one's not brand new. I'm trying to buy a new one, but you know, it is what it is, right? So it's cost a little money, and you know, sometimes it costs a lot of money, sometimes it costs a little bit. I don't know, maybe this one's will fit or it's not fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off this piece. You do that job, you might need a pry bar, or you know, you don't, if you want to use your flathead screwdriver, and make sure you know, wrap it up with a tape, the way that you're not gonna, you know, break it anything. So they are the plastic piece, they can break it very easier. So to get this one and pry this one up and this one up, and they came right off very easy. Okay, now here we go. So So they're zip tied, so we're gonna cut it off. Okay. Inside right here, but let me check mine. Okay, let me see this one. And this one was too big, and they have offered to me, let's say screw or whatever. How did you call that one? I don't know how to call, because this one it won't fit because it's too small, right? You see hole right here, too small, and I got two and the bigger one, so it might be fit inside here. Let's see. Okay, this one won't fit and this one will fit, but I think maybe we're gonna use this one. They offered me 3, so they got different side, so I'm gonna use this one, you know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Cut this one a little bit. And let's use this one. Okay, and how about this? Maybe yes. So they're gonna go all the way inside right here. See? So whoops! Right here, they got how many screws over here? They got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on this one, the boot right here is gonna be the teeth. What side it is? It's gonna be T20. Okay, so we're gonna get it off. This one. Okay, it came off, and right here they use it with the stipper. Did I'm right? Stipper? Yeah, I have to get off the stipper right here, this one. I think I have to cut it off. So I'm gonna cut it off like the one that on my vehicle, the old one right here. So we're gonna match it over here and we're gonna cut it off. Okay, so we're gonna cut it off right about here. Let's see, we're gonna cut about right here. Okay, right here a little bit. Let's see. Too short, maybe. It's too short, so I don't know, maybe too short, it's not too short. So let's see. It's okay, right? Okay, now here we go. Got it, but it's not look perfect. You know, I just cut it, and just because this one, you see that it go this way, but I'm not really like it. But you know, it is the way that's supposed to be. But you know, and I just get it as I can, but it's not look perfect, but it's okay. It's good. So you know, all right, guys. This is the full fix. If you guys like it, make sure subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to like and share my video, okay?